A record-breaking feat of engineering has been achieved by 4 members of the robotics team at Hong Kong's Diocesan Boys' School, who have created the world's smallest humanoid robot. Measuring just 14.1 centimeters, 5.55 inches, in height, the tiny gizmo is 11.3 millimeters, 0.44 inches, shorter than the previous world record holder, which was built by Zain Ahmad Qureshi from Pakistan in 2022. Verified by Guinness World Records, GWR, the miniature robot was designed and assembled by Aaron Ho Yat Fung, Isaac Zachary Tu, Justin Wang Tu Duong, and No Hei Leung, all of whom attend Hong Kong's Diocesan Boys' School, DBS. In order to satisfy the requirements for the record, the robot had to be able to walk on 2 feet and rotate its shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees. After designing the Wii gadget using software provided by the school's robotics lab, the boys then made the acrylic body panels and 3D printed components. A factory was then contracted to produce a number of servo motors, which enabled the robot to move its arms and legs. Speaking to GWR, team members explained that the contraption can walk, play soccer, dance, and even do kung fu. Aside from the glory of entering the record books, the youngsters say their motivation for building the robot was to create a low-cost learning tool for use in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, education. By designing the device to be as small as possible, they say the costs of mass production can be reduced, thus making the robot more affordable and accessible for underprivileged households. We also plan to open source the design and programming code to further our objectives of promoting STEAM education, said team member Isaac. The robot is powered by an onboard 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery and can be controlled remotely using an app or via buttons on a panel that sits on the humanoid's back. Widely praised for their ingenious creation, the DBS robotics team join a growing list of youngsters to have hit the news in recent weeks for their scientific endeavors. In Canada, for instance, an 8th grade student has received a raft of accolades after recreating a death ray that was originally designed by the ancient Greek inventor Archimedes more than 2,000 years ago. Over in Australia, meanwhile, an 8-year-old girl is currently authoring a scientific paper about magpies and their tendency to swoop on bald-headed men.